Shat Tangnub Kabadan Shnong Lumshken EJHD District kadai ka way na kikshat ka itanan kabadan hakilai pat saw kodan karukam no jang ka hakikshat wat utupri commissioner Shivan Jawasti IS ulaong ba shimpoy parkhat ba kani kikshat bat kisaw dong saw kun kin long ki jaka ka itanan pat menta kasngi ka dor Shnong Lumshken karukam ka ba phieng bha kala pulong ya ka Tamasa Tangnub Music Festival laban kan thoru ba la ban lan baka jing itenat ki lom ki wa bat ka jing dan ka kshat Tangnub Shnong Lumshken kan sala ban kring shushu yi babon ki nong jong kai perthai ki mana jan ban na jingai bat ki riu it mariang ban wan jong kai ya Shnong Lumshken EJHD district bat kami lenti bahkan de ka way ni ki jaka jong kai perthai ka bapau tang po ka district Henry Wat Shabar ka jilla Shabar ka riru WMLE jong ka Cleared constituency ba akar man chilla ulalong kum kongsan Haka ni ka Tamasa UMDC ka than Dr. Sanki Shangpung ba Deputy Commissioner Shivan Jawasti kum sebut kongsan Deputy Commissioner EJHD district ula ai ka jingiro na mar ka jing itanat ka kshat Tangnub khamtam ka jing itanat ki lom ki wa ki badan Shnong Lumshken bat kular banyarap ban pelong ya kini ka Shnong kum ka way ni ki tourism model village Haka ni kasngi nakaliang ka office deputy commissioner kilai tiru ki life jacket bat ka lieng siya ki nong penya Shnong jong ka Lumshken nakabenta ki ba wan jong kai perthai ki ba kwa ban jingi kai ha ki jakka jingi bat ha ki wa hatara ki kshat ki belai jingkran ki kentupru wahe Shnong Lumshken uba kren dakhan wahe Shnong barem uba kambare uhe sarkar nakatanat tourism EJHD district upa walang ledan ringkat lang ru ki he sarkar nakatanan industries ba na kiwe kitanan ya ka program na panya do secretary Shnong Lumshken uba yogas kai bat la penpheng shushu ikani ka Tamasa da ki jingshat tanrai na ki samla ki bana Shnong Lumshken lum puthai mu nong tudu rangat bat ki jingruai kerpang na ka samla eren bare bat ka kenhon
Tourism department, they have done a lot when it comes to EJHD Hills for development. No doubt, when Pak Paul was the minister in charge, he announced around 29 crores for development of the infrastructure in EJHD Hills from the tourism department. We are looking forward, waiting for that scheme to get sanctioned, and based on that, maybe we can have more development in EJHD Hills. I'm really blessed to have this beauty. The nature has really blessed with us so that we can develop this place and then attract the tourists in our place in this area. Looking forward that the tourists will come here. They'll be satisfied and they'll enjoy the place.
Tourist officer of EJHD Hills, and I've been collaborating with the secretary for a few months now. As for this place, I have pushed them into applying the scheme of 25 lakhs from our department. It's called the Community-Led Tourism Infrastructure Scheme. So for there, it's been paid in installments to the community, and they can do any development projects within their jurisdiction. So I've been pushing for them to do it. And as part of the homestay, they can also apply for that. But as of recently, the 1st of October, the homestay scheme in convergence with PMEGP has been stopped. But we now have a new scheme under our department. The subsidy can amount to up to 7 lakhs. Project cost right now it's up to 10 lakhs, but it can go up. I'm not sure when.
the name of the scheme sir
Homestay scheme.
Homestay
Yes. And as the Honorable MLA has mentioned, the tourism department has sanctioned almost about 30 crores in the cluster village of Mutong, Samcham, that side. So now we are venturing into new clusters where other developmental projects can happen as well. Thank you.
Mani local MLA, but yeah, ISAR, naka tourism department, but the officer in charge of the EJHD Hills, but yeah, our deputy commissioner is in charge of the EJHD Hills district. So I'm very happy through you, today we are successful our project. Ngakwa ban ya jimut hang ni asar nakaliang jongki ka department ban na isar kane kajing tray kadai na kadiam na phone asar lada kadiam na phone kamwan kamut we cannot do nothing. So thank you sir so much. So you we are complete, we are successful. Thank you sir. Kaya ka ba ngadang mut ban plan hang ni kamut ba kalong hiban sir, kalong hiban ban awa guli ka shutdown hang te nang ba ka kan samhe te no one shutdown we have to cross, so the level of water will increase, so that sun also will come small bit. Can we do that sir?
We will plan, we will make an estimate and see. We have to develop this place in a way that the natural beauty of the site is also not destroyed. Okay, because the asset of this site is the natural beauty. So whatever intervention we will do, we will make a plan properly. Our tourist officer is also here. So along with the community, we will come and we will explore what are the possibilities, how can we develop this area further. But we will develop in the ecotourism model so that the natural beauty is also there and whatever.
You can hold this.
You give it now?
Yeah, I'll give
Oh.
Concentrate on me. Yeah. I'll give you my tourism industries tok ko he ba hapok perthai gawi nite daw penem kam hok ya gani o blai de eu pi kat kani dang em ki thawi ilai kat kani yo lai lipai de to chaba ri nga oi pi hani de ki hajar mut ki pru man gas ki wan ane idang bon gini ki thawi yawi nite daw pai khmat i nagleng yang sarkar egi ya skim ki wer han kom mane yo promote ki timit ki pru ka tu kani lai lipan putpoi ki skim kai ga daw sarkar wa go putpoi ki skim chupi ki pai ba haite ne daw mandawan ki tourist nagiri ki bo pero per wan ra ki pelut se ki ya bai sa yang ki bai gri bai bam yang ki nadong chadong ke tu to ke economy bo pun ya gri ba ya state yang i ro ko bi ne te daw sa kumenu ong ba e ki ro ko kru ba ya gani society gani ya chnong yang i ha ko ki tip ki dari jing start yang ki de yi ku le kat ke ni infrastructure ko yusu khadu kate lali thu ki avel ki gani scheme lagi skim ki bo pero per tipai om pen satisfied ki do kan ni puhun bi wat I bo pai le yo dang encho ki jing em kam haw pungku ya gani desnya bi ki officer de klan ne ye bi ovel ya ki te skim yo unati le ne ki homestay le ne ki skim ki bo pero per zyaw bha chim ye to lat yo man go ki jing toy ni benta yo pi yo nga ba ni benta yo ki tourist ki wan chang ni ki thain the Yolesi Eminuni Bata, which had a lot of Galeonga come no mikma, Ida Yelai tea up and point the Emlegini Kalami, where he thought, Wagi toilet, Naleon Puyu, you west the difference now you get there, nights came have a Puyu Portisni, now you let Yakim come. The claim of Petronji Klamionga, Evo
and not just the waterfall part which we are going to which we have seen, but the overall landscape of the place also is so beautiful. So we will try to propose this thing to tourism department that maybe this whole landscape can be developed as a tourism sector. Whatever we can try to do from the district resources in terms of small interventions to improve the tourist facilities, that we will do from our side. But at the same time, we would request the tourism department also to maybe send some special architects, special designers and planners who can plan the whole thing, starting from the beginning, from the start of the trek. Maybe some beautiful plantation can also be done in this area. So, and one more important aspect of this place is that this is fully very well connected. So there is no challenge with regards to connectivity here. We have a road from National Highway connecting the Lumshken village, and now with this special initiative from the side of MGNREGA, VEC, and also from DMF Convergence, we have created the cemented footpath and stairs till the waterfall. So now when the accessibility of this place has improved, we expect and we hope that more and more tourists will be coming to this place. But one more thing I would like to add is that with the more tourists coming to this place, it is an opportunity also for all the people in the village, but it is a challenge also. So that is what I would like to appeal to the headman and secretary here, that you make some kind of mechanism so that when you start promoting tourism, it should start benefiting the local people, the livelihoods here. Maybe you can charge some fees also from the tourists who are visiting the waterfall. Maybe from the tourists who are not the local tourists, you can charge those some kind of fees for the maintenance also. And many times when we see that some spots, after they become popular, when you go there, you will find bottles, chips packets, plastics. So now this place is very clean and beautiful. So you have to start from now itself and make sure that this place also does not, with more and more tourists coming here, this place also should not turn into this kind of place where there is a lot of garbage. So if we maintain the beauty, then we can plan for a lot of ecotourism intervention here. We can create some ecotourist huts also where tourists can stay. Because see, only if the tourist is coming here in one day, people are coming and they are just going to the waterfall and returning back, you are not able to derive the income and livelihood out of the tourist activity. So more things which are special of the village, you can set up some shop where you can sell traditional items. You can set up shops for traditional foods for the tourists. So it will start providing employment opportunity also for the locals. So all these were the things that I was thinking while sitting during the program, while we were looking at the various landscapes. So in future also I will also start sending other departments also, like soil and water resources department, who can do some kind of intervention here, because this is what the main thing is, that we have to convert the resources whichever are present in the district, so that we can try and develop this village as a model to tourism village. And after once we develop, then maybe more villages in the area also can see the progress that has been made by Lumshken village, and slowly that development will spread across the whole district in many other villages. So with this,